Oh, welcome to Week 10 lecture. Week 10 is a draft due week. Again, the whole draft is due. Means you're going to have to upload this document as a file to the discussion forums. If you want more eyes to read this other than me, the Writing Circle or the Writing Center you can use. Please submit this uploaded file in the correct type. It's a doc or docs file. Anything else? No, I can't do pages, PDF, or RTF files. Here's how to download your file from OneDrive. Here's how to upload it to the discussion forum. And when you upload to the discussion forum, you're going to follow these types of questions and put it in there because you, as an author, are looking for information where you think your work is weak. Okay? Again, the credit stuff. Again, the draft is due Friday of this week, week 10. Here's the checklist. Don't forget the extra credit. Extra credit, you ask questions about week 10 or the assignment. If you're confused, shoot me an email and we can discuss it, or set up a Zoom meeting if you're confused. That's all for week 10. We're just kind of drafting and working through this. Bye.